welcome to Summer Auto Parts. Today's video we are going to introduce the engine cover, and this engine cover is practice material, and we can find it's coming with left side and right side. We can make its complete assembly by the screws. And why we designed this engine cover for the new Defender 90, 110 and 130, come to check with me about the engine inside. As we can find as the modification sense of the new Defender, we have a lot of wearing outside of the car engine because the battery details is on this side. So it looks very ugly and it's so mess. After we fit the engine cover, the complete engine inside looks much more organization. So that makes our engine inside looks much comfortable and clearly. If you are just traveling in the short trip or just driving in the city, it's just for you guys to anti-dust and organization for the engine cover. But if you are the fan of the off-road, don't use this one because it's not good for the heating. So this is only suggested for the guys you just traveling in the city, and if you go outside, go traveling on the off-road ways, don't use this place. So follow my videos and check how's the fitment and how's the look after we fit all the complete engine cover of the new Defender. If you have any suggestion about X63 developing for new Defender, don't forget to leave your comments in our YouTube channel, and see you next video. Bye bye.